Let's now make Mongoose Overview. So, Mongoose is ODM module in Node.js for MongoDB. Basically, it wraps the functionality of the native MongoDB driver. It exposes modules to control the records in a document, also supports validation on save, and extends the native queries. How we can install Mongoose? Well, we need to run the following command from the cmd or terminal. We're saying npm install mongoose. After that, in Node.js, we have to load the module and connect to database. So I'm saying constant mongoose equals require mongoose, and then I'm saying mongoose.connect, and I provide the URL of my database. Then I have to create modules and persist data. How I'm doing that? Well, I'm saying constant unit is equal to mongoose.module, and here the name of it unit. After that, I have to define its schema. So I'm saying unit type, the column, will be from TypeScript, type string. After that, I can say new unit, and here provide unit type warrior.save, and I have callback. And that's how easy you can create another record. So again, I'm saying new unit. Inside it, I provide the body, and to the end, I say .save, and I have callback. How I can fetch? Well, I can say unit.find, again, what I'm looking for, and say .exec from callback.